my god. Hi, hello guys. I was doing some chicken in the oven. I have done that a lot before. There was about 30 minutes left on the cooking of the chicken. And starts smoking a lot from the oven. And the fire alarm starts going off. And now I turn it off. And I'm too scared to open the oven to see how bad is it. Help! So that was happening right now. And I'm just gonna wait till it cool down so I can open it and see what's going on instead of scaring all my neighbors. Neighbors, if you're watching, I'm very sorry. I didn't know this gonna happen. Jesus Christ. I never cook chicken ever again. Update. I talked to my mom. Oh, I had a hair in my mouth. It looks pretty good. Nothing serious is happening. It's happened again. There's something wrong in the oven. So yeah, I have to buy a new oven. Good evening. My mom was just here and looked at the oven and it seems fine all of a sudden, but it seems fine. So I will probably see you guys tomorrow because I am going out to a shopping center and gonna buy some shoes because it's getting cold now. I don't like it. So I need some shoes. So that's gonna do tomorrow. And tomorrow the new video is going up at 6 p.m. So now when you're watching this, it's up. So go check it out. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Hello everybody. I almost just come home from my shopping at the new store. I arrived there around 9:30 a.m. and after about 50 minutes we got a band around here. Some showed that if you buy for 200 Swedish crowns you get a goodie bag. Some is worth around 1,000 Swedish crowns. And it's gonna show you what I bought and what I got and stuff. So I bought this. It's a face cream, a day cream for all skin types from Nivea. Q10 anti-wrinkle power. I don't know if I need that, but I just wanted to try. And it has SPF 15 as well, so that's good. And I bought this because I saw that they had some here, so this was good. Also from Nivea, very good. So this cost 200 Swedish crowns. Excuse my double chin. into the goodie bag. The goodie bag looks like this. And in that was this one. It's a foundation brush, I think. Foundation and concealer brush. 103. Skir. And I got a clothing roller, a mini one. And this box, so you can have your jewelry in, rings and stuff. Looks like that inside. And I got a little makeup bag. It's very cute. When I was in there, I thought to buy this one just because I thought it was cute and I want one. But then I just, nah, I wait. And I got one in the bag, so that's good. And I got the hat, gray hats, but I will give it to my mom or my brother or something. And I got a mirror. Oh, there you guys say hello. And the hand soap from Bershaw. I don't know, natural ingredients. Let's smell it. Smells good. Smells good. Long thing was a cushion cover in grey. Very nice, very nice. And then I was to another store with one of my best friends, because we love Christmas and why not buy Christmas stuff. So I bought this one. It's very cute. Popcorn. And I bought this little car with a tree on it. Very cute. It's from Flying Tiger. So it cost 30 crowns each. So 60 crowns. But I had a discount, so it cost me 54 crowns. So that's good. And that was everything. I rambled now for like almost 8 minutes. But I hope you liked this video and you saw something you liked. So go down below and check it out if there was something you wanted. And yeah, I'll see you next time with a new video. Go check the other two out. Some I uploaded in Mondays and yesterday. So when you're watching this is about maybe Friday. So go do that and like and subscribe. And I see you soon. Bye.